residents of Austin. Yes. So guys on the outside circle, just remember what your first time was like. Being invited to this workout, this group, this community, not showing what to expect. And then you showed up, you had the feels, you moved through whatever you moved through, you had a blast, you were challenged. But remember at the end of that workout, what it felt like. Just remember that feeling to be welcomed into a brotherhood. I want you to bring those same feelings up as we welcome these brothers. Now guys in the middle, I'm just gonna ask these, I'm gonna kind of make some requests and ask some questions. First and foremost, if you are opposed to being loved on physically, you could join us back in the outside circle. We will love on you in a different way. If not, you can remain right here. And then secondly, in the middle, just ask if you are open to it, being open to receiving. For some of us, it's not an easy feat, but just checking to see if you're open to receiving. Now guys on the outside circle, repeat after me. Welcome to the MPowered Brotherhood.
Welcome to the MPowered Brotherhood.
We see you.
We see you.
We acknowledge you.
We acknowledge you.
We honor you.
We honor you.
Thank you for showing up.
Thank you for showing up.
Keep 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 showing up.
Now guys on the outside circle, you guys already remember. Keep that feeling up. Keep that feeling going. And let's go get it.
Welcome.